Today, I'm going to show you how you can make hundreds of dollars per day using Deepseek AI and Google Books. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can use this new AI Deepseek to take advantage of opportunities that are currently arising. For step number one, we're going to sign up for Google Books Partner. And if you don't know what Google Books Partner is, pretty much it's a lot similar to Amazon KDP, where you can self-publish and put up your own ebooks online. So we're going to go to the Google Books website right here on the Partner Center. As we can see, it's available in over 3 billion different devices and 75 countries. So a lot of people are using this platform. All you have to do is create an account. You can publish and promote your book and earn a 70% revenue split. I'm going to go up to the top and then click on Get Started. For a publisher type, I'm going to choose a self-published author and then just put in my name. And we can leave the rest of this blank. We don't even need to put in a phone number or anything. I'm just going to put in my country as Canada. And a website, we don't need to fill that in. And we do not need a phone number, and we can click Next. Now, I'm just going to leave that and click I'm not a robot and then Next. So here we are on our Google Books Partner Center dashboard. So you're going to need to create a payment profile. That way you can get paid. I'm not going to show you how to do this, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Now we're going to get into the important part of this video, which is focused on Deepseek AI. So if you have not heard of Deepseek so far, it's an incredibly powerful brand new AI that just came out of China. It's pretty much comparable or even better than Chatgpt in some ways. So this AI has been going incredibly viral all over the internet. On Google Trends here, we can see the worldwide search results for Deepseek. As we can see, it just goes from 0 and then a massive spike all over the world. So it's incredibly popular. And just over the past week, it's just exploded in popularity. And we're going to take advantage of this in this video. Now we're going to move on to step 4, which is using Deepseek AI to create an ebook. So here we are on the Deepseek web page here. So we can click on Start Now. Now you can go ahead and sign up if you haven't already. So once we're on this page, I'm going to type in a prompt saying create me a 20-page ebook about how entrepreneurs can use Deepseek. So as we can see, this AI is really good. It's pretty much even as good as Chatgpt, and it just came out of nowhere, so it's incredibly popular right now. So if we wanted to talk more about a certain part of this ebook, we could tell it to expand on, for example, what is Deepseek, and it's going to expand on the point and just go into detail on exactly what Deepseek is. So you could do this for any part of the book. I'm going to ask Deepseek to expand and write the entire ebook for us now, because this is just the main points. And now it's going to spit out the entire ebook for us. Here's a completed ebook. So I'm just going to click on this copy button here and then paste it into a Google document. So we need to go to Google Docs and then just create a brand new document, and then we can paste it in there. As we can see, there's kind of this weird thing going on with these hashtags, and the formatting is not perfect. So I'm going to go through and remove these hashtags. And you might have to do a little bit of DIY to fix up the document so that it looks good. Okay, we can delete this prompt at the top because we don't need that. So we're just gonna have the title at the very top as well. So I'm gonna go to the top left and click on the title. And the title is gonna change to match our title. Then I'm gonna click on File and then Download as a PDF. So make sure that you're downloading this as a PDF, because if it's some kind of other file, it's not gonna work for what we do next. Next, I'm going to go to a website called Chatgpt.com. So Chatgpt is a PDF editor where you can bring in your PDF and edit different things on it. So I'm just going to open up our PDF in Chatgpt. Now we're going to go to Leonardo.ai. So I've showed Leonardo.ai multiple times on this channel before, but if you don't know what it is, it's an AI that can create different images for us. So as you can see, here are some example images that I made before using this AI. For a book, we're going to use it to make some images, because a book full of just plain text can get kind of boring. We need a couple of images. So I'm going to paste in our title as our prompt and then generate some images. Okay, it came up with these 4 different images. This one on the right actually looks pretty nice. I'm going to download this image. But if you're not happy with the images it came up with, we can just go and click on generate once again. And it's going to come up with another 4 images. So you can just keep doing this until you get images that you're really happy with and that you want to use. So here's 4 more images it came up with. These look pretty good as well. I'm still going to take the first one that we got and put it into our ebook because I think it's the best. So I'm going to go to the very top of the page and click on images, and then I'm going to click on new image, and then click on our brand new image that we made. And now we can just put it in anywhere. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so that it doesn't cover any of our text. And then I'm going to put it in the corner of the page right here. Now that we have our image, you can put as many as you like in. I'm just going to end with this one image, but you can put in as many as you like into your book. And then I'm going to click on apply changes so that we can just see how the image is actually going to look when we save our PDF. So it looks pretty nice. It looks like it's formatted correctly. So I'm going to download our PDF. Okay, now I'm going to go back to leonardo.ai and I'm going to go back to our prompt and just add book cover at the end. So believe it or not, that's all we need to do. And then we can click on generate and it's going to create a book cover for a book. Here's 4 different book cover designs it came up with. The text looks pretty good. Like Leonardo never used to be this good at making text, but it's getting really good recently. So we can see there's a few mistakes in this first one here and with these other 2. This one on the far left here looks really realistic. I don't see any mistakes as far as I can see. So I'm going to download this book cover. One thing that I forgot to do earlier with Deepseek is use it to make a disclaimer that this book was made with AI. So make sure that you go to Deepseek and say, create me a 1-sentence disclaimer saying that this book was created using AI. It's going to come up with a 1-sentence disclaimer. And then I'm going to go back into Sejda, open up our PDF, and then I'm just going to paste this in at the very bottom of the entire PDF. Make sure that you have this. That way you don't get into any troubles putting up an AI book on Google Books. Now we can go back to Google Books Partner, and then we're going to add our own book. So I'm going to click sell ebook on Google Play and then get a Google Book ID. Oh, about the book, we need a title and a description. So I'm going to make our page count 20 pages and then our release date is going to be just today. It can be whenever you want, whenever you'd like to release the book. So I'm going to put February 3rd. Then the minimum age, I'm going to make it 18. That way it's adults. And then I'm going to choose our publication date as February 3rd as well. So for a title, I'm going to go back to Google Docs and just copy over our title. I'm going to go back to Deepseek. I'm going to ask it to create a quick Google Books description for our book. Here's a description it came up with. We don't even need most of this. I'm just going to copy this first paragraph here and leave the rest and then paste that in. Oh, as we can see, the description looks great. And then we can just hit continue and move on to the next step. So for the genre of our book, I'm just going to choose North America. And for the actual genre, I'm going to look up artificial intelligence. And right away, it's going to come up as a genre. So I'm going to choose that as our genre. Contributors. So we need to put who wrote this. So I'm just going to put my name. I wrote this. For series, I'm going to click on continue. And I'm just going to leave all of this as is. So now we're on this page here where we can upload our actual book to Google Books. So it's going to look through our content and just see and make sure that it's good for their website. So the first thing I'm going to do is upload our PDF. Now it's done and we can choose our prices for a book. So we can make it $15 worldwide. Or for example, if you wanted a specific price in a certain country or region, you can just choose, like for example, if you wanted it to be in Argentina, it's going to be $20. We could just do that. That way it's $20 in that one specific place. So we have to go back and actually upload our cover as well. There we go. It's uploading our cover the same way we added the ebook. So now we have our ebook on Google Books and people can purchase it so that we can earn money from people buying our book. So how exactly do we get traffic to these books? So there's one way that I'm going to show you in this video. You can do this through social media, emails, articles, blog posts, all different ways you can do this. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SEOwriting.ai for posting the article. Here I am on the website. If you don't know how to get to it, you can go to the description and click on the link there. And now we can click on one-click blog post, and then we're going to paste in the title of our ebook as our topic, and then it's going to generate a title for us. So using SEOwriting.ai, we can create our own blog post that we can use to get traffic towards our article. So this is pretty self-explanatory. I'm not going to go through exactly how to create the article since I go through this on a lot of my other videos as well. A few of the important things though are make sure that you change the text readability to 6th grade. That way it doesn't get detected as AI content. And another important setting that you need is make sure that you're set on the latest AI available. So for me, that's going to be Chatgpt 4. And the last setting that I'm going to show you is make sure that it's connected to the web for search results. So we need that to be connected as well. So as long as you have those, it's really up to you how many images or YouTube videos you want within the article, etc. Once you're done all that, we can create an article, and boom, we're going to have an article that we can post on a website such as Medium to get traffic towards our ebook. Oh, I hope this information helped you. It might have been a little bit rushed today just because I wanted to get this information out as quickly as possible. So thanks for watching.